So I'm here in the India Speed Week in the Sunday afternoon. It's 3:45. The event is slowly getting over. The races I think are almost done. So this is the main stall lane. Stalls for the cars, supercars, superbikes, the food counters that side. So this whole lane, this strip is full of stalls of all the stuff. There's a musical concert going on there, the one which you just saw. I'm here at the XBHP store. Now I just met Mr. Sandeep Gajjar. He is the man behind XBHP.
I'm quite humbled to meet such humble, people who themselves are doing a lot of stuff today. It's great to be, a lot of people have been inspired by XBHP in the right way. That is what we set out to do many years ago, and we keep, we're hoping that we keep continuing to do that.
It's like, I don't know which country is left for you to ride on. So which was your favorite ride till now? If at all, if you have to say one, which was your favorite place to ride in?
I think Japan was one of my favorites.
Which is the most favorite bike you have ridden? Which is your
I like a lot of motorcycles. I think my favorite right now, which I would want to take on a very long ride, is the Ninja H2. But I think the Suzuki Hayabusa is one of my favorites, and I'm very lucky to be owning it.
The man behind XBHP, and he is like an icon in the motorcycling community of India. But it was a privilege meeting you, sir. Thank you so much. Here I am at the XBHP stall today. Here I have Manan Chaturvedi with me.
Thank you so much, Saurabh, for coming all the way from Ranchi, and it is such a great pleasure here and to attend this ISW, and we are so glad that you consider us so precious and valuable.
You are precious to all the motoring community in India, sir.
And a message to all: please keep riding and keep riding safe.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Hello.
Hi, sir.
It's nice to meet you, Saurabh. Yes, 1 second.
Yeah.
So, nice to catch up with you, Saurabh. We have been interacting. I think we are connected on Facebook, and it's good to put a face on a name.
Exactly.
Right? And
this is the first time I'm meeting the XBHP team. This is like a person from the core team of XBHP. I have been following these people for 10 years now.
Saurabh, the honor is, it's shared. The happiness is shared.
Yeah, thank you so
we
much.
are equally happy to meet you.
So when you meet such people, they grow big, but they're still planted to earth. Yeah, as you can seriously see, they're still planted to earth.
Yes, as they say, keep the rubber side down. I am.
Exactly.
All the best, bro.
Thank you so much, Sunil sir. Thank you so much. Mumbaiker Nikhil is here. He's vlogging out. and he
थोड़ा vlogging, not much, as always.
as always, thoda vlogging. And he came here for the subscriber meetup yesterday. How was it, sir? How was the subscriber?
Very nice, lovely.
How was the response from Kolkata?
Very good, as always.
Very good.
Kolkata is a very different city what I expected. It's much better. The rules are very strict, which is surprisingly good. I mean, everywhere in India, Mumbai के अलावा हर जगह rules strict है, which is a good thing.
Here's Fuzz Rides. So he's here with Mumbaikar Nikhil. He rode all the way from Hyderabad to Kolkata.
Excellent event. Really liking everything over here. Look at that, for example. Lamborghini and lots of super bikes over there.
Fuzz Rides, tell us about your rides, like the experience, the number of rides. Like tell us the facts and the numbers.
I am a hardcore tourer, and what I usually do is, for example, I have done Ladakh like 24 times, All India ride 12 times, and my longest trip has been from Delhi to London, and I have also participated in Guinness Book of World Record. You can Google it. And I also have a Limca record as well.
Okay, what is it about?
That is the highest number of kilometers covered in one go within a country.
So you know who you are looking at. Highest number of kilometers at one go. How much was it?
It was 30,000 kilometers.
At one
Previously, yeah.
Oh, so 30,000 kilometers at one go. This man, like this guy, it's his neighborhood. Ladakh is his neighborhood. 24 times to Ladakh. Like any big rider who's going to do Ladakh, I think calls him first and asks for tips. I'm sure that happens a lot.
Yeah.
So
I mean, almost every day.
almost every day he's getting calls about Ladakh, and 12 times India. All India ride 12 times. So yeah, he's Fuzz Rides. He has a YouTube channel as well. Do check it out. And lots of respect, man, from Okay guys, so the day has come to an end. It was the last day of the event and now it's 6 p.m. Everything is shutting. It was a really amazing day. I met some really like my idols from childhood. I met Sandeep Gajjar today. I met Manan Chaturvedi, and the most amazing guy, Mumbaikar Nikhil. So I was here with him for the whole day. I spent a lot of time with him. The music, the arrangement, the stalls, the cars, the bikes, lot of revving, lot of amazing supercars, super bikes, races, drag races, stunt shows, off-roading. Really the best Sunday I could ever have. I hope Kolkata organizes such events more in the future also. Now the video is over, so I hope you have subscribed to my channel. I hope you have, right? If you haven't, then please go down, click on that red subscribe button and do subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up if you like it and share it with your friends. I'd love to hear your comments. If anything you have to say about the event, about the video,